Yep, it's my cheat day, and I'm having something that I never have a craving for, and that is ice cream. Let's get it. What is up, Seasoning Gang and Cravers? For all of my new people that are here, I bet you're wondering what Seasoning Gang and Cravers are. So years ago, I made a video where I was showing all the seasonings that I had in my cabinet during the pandemic. And I started calling everybody that had those seasonings the Seasoning Gang. And those that were saying that I got to stock my cabinet up, those are Cravers. So if you ever hear me say Little Craver, that's my son that you see on the beginning of the intro or whatever. But I just want to say thanks to everybody that's here and that's already been here, everybody that stuck with me during my hard times. I really do appreciate you. But Old Cravens with Carlos is back in full effect. My words over here are, let's get it, let's go.